Every once in a while, an artwork calls for a different kind of quilting, and foot number 97D is perfect for this. Did you know that the marks on the foot are 1/4 inch marks? This shows you how far away from the end of a piece you want to stop sewing if you want a true 1/4 inch. The little nick on the right hand side of the foot is there to accommodate the seam guide if you are busy doing patchwork. From where the needle penetrates the fabric to the inside of that nick is exactly a 1/4 inch. Remember when you start quilting to engage the dual feed. This will feed the quilt through evenly for perfect straight line quilting. In fact, I often use my dual feed for normal sewing. Foot number 97D is also perfect when you finish off your quilt with a binding, as, once again, you can line up the squared off quilt and the binding with the outside of foot number 97D for an accurate 1/4 inch seam. Remember when you do the binding, again to engage your dual feed. Patchwork foot number 97D is definitely one of my favorite Bernina feet to use when I want to do a bit of straight line quilting.